instead of spending the evening watching YouTube videos, I just wanted to use like the small amount of time I have this evening to actually create something instead of just watching, consuming. And although this video is not particularly interesting, it's a start. And sometimes this is all it takes. Just instead of planning the perfect thing, instead of being pixel perfect, if you're a designer or just a perfectionist trying to get everything just right, sometimes it's maybe just better to just start. And for example, if you just start, you still learn a bunch of things. And for example, you see, I need to learn to speak in front of a camera better. I need to improve my English. My pronunciation is somewhat off. I don't know how to pronounce the TH the right way. And this is something I want to learn. And I think the best way to learn is by doing. And this video should be about it. And I just met a friend. We were having dinner together and we had about 1 hour left. And we talked about doing things, about making a podcast, starting a YouTube series. And instead of doing, we talked about it. And it's not the first time we did talk about it. So this kind of gave me the motivation to just start again, to put out this video to the world to see, to keep me engaged in making content. And I am not completely sure what kind of content I want to make. I used to, or I still am a UX designer, and I used to make videos about UX design. But there's a lot of more. There are many more things I'm interested in. For example, 3D printing. I recently printed these drawers and designed different things. Not these drawers; they came from printables, but overall, I want to be able to explore more topics. This is why the name changed, Multimakes. You don't know how the channel was named before, so you don't care. But anyway, for me, this is kind of like a playground to try out different things, different formats. A handheld smartphone camera with a bad microphone should be enough to get started. I will process the audio with we Adobe Podcast thing, and every thing will sound a little bit more, well, professional or less like I've just filmed myself in the kitchen. And I think this is the lesson for me to just start, to put myself out there again and be able to find my voice on the internet, on YouTube, add my voice to the mix of hundreds of millions of hours on YouTube of different people. I just want to be part of the creator and not just consume what I want to create. And so if you're also like me, just pick up your phone and start something. And along the way, you will learn how to be better at least maybe speaking, pronunciation, positioning your camera, and all these small things until you find what you want to make videos about, or how to make videos in a good way about things you want to make them about. Well, this was sentenceful. My struggle is I want to do UX videos, but it's a lot of work to create all the files, all the designs just for the video. And if I take things from work, I have to blur out all the details and it won't make much sense. So let me figure out a way how to do this more efficient. And maybe this camera part is one of the easiest way to just record what I want to say. And the next steps, I try to find out a way how to add B-roll by showing designs and making points I want to make and adding additional pictures or videos on top. And it's just a try. And if this is something you're interested in, stay tuned. Let's see what comes next. Thanks. Bye.